Now we demonstrate how to change different type straws 0.25毫升 to 0.5毫升. Rotate this button to 0.5毫升. Loosen the screws on two sides. Then lift the metal baffle up and tighten screw. Third step is loosen the screw in the middle. Slide it down to 0.5毫升. Then tighten. Fourth step is adjusting the turntable. The narrow one is 0.25毫升. The slightly wider is 0.5毫升. Rotate the turntable to align the nozzle. Just dial outer turntable gently and align the two grooves. The last step, replace 0.25 nozzle to 0.5 nozzle. Unplug it from the hose. Install on the machine. Same operation in another side. Now let's see how it works. Put straws in trough and start.